Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili lime sauce. This simple guide will help you craft a delicious condiment that elevates countless meals. We will cover everything from gathering your ingredients to mixing and serving. Get ready to add a burst of bright, spicy flavor to your culinary repertoire with just a few easy steps. It is a fantastic way to enhance your favorite foods. To begin, you will need a few key ingredients. Start with 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice for that essential tang. Next, grab 2 tablespoons of your favorite chili powder, adjusting for your desired heat level. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of honey to balance the flavors, and 1 minced garlic clove for aromatic depth. Finally, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of water to achieve the perfect consistency. Making this sauce is incredibly straightforward. First, pour the fresh lime juice, honey, and water into a small bowl. Then, add the chili powder, minced garlic, and salt. Using a small whisk, thoroughly combine all the ingredients until the sauce is completely smooth and uniform. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want a little more lime or a pinch more salt to suit your preference. It takes just a few minutes. Now for the best part. Enjoying your homemade chili lime sauce. It is incredibly versatile. Try drizzling it generously over grilled chicken, fish, or roasted vegetables for an instant flavor boost. It also makes a fantastic dipping sauce for fresh fruit like mango or even crispy spring rolls. To keep it fresh, store any leftover sauce in an airtight container in your refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.